In our last nutrition video, we spoke on fats, and today we'll be talking about cholesterol. Now, cholesterol is a fat-like substance that is found in every cell in our body. It's not fat because it has a different chemical composition. One interesting discovery I made on cholesterol is the fact that we don't really need dietary cholesterol because the liver produces enough cholesterol for the body to function. Adding extra cholesterol for our diet is not actually a requirement for the body to function on cholesterol. Now, cholesterol does not mix with the blood, even though it is found in the blood. Just like oil doesn't mix with water, cholesterol and the blood do not mix. So it is coated with a layer of protein to enable it to pass seamlessly through the blood, and this protein is called lipoprotein. And this lipoprotein is classified into two. We have the lower density lipoprotein LDL and the higher density lipoprotein HDL, and the two of them have their different functions. Now, the lower density lipoprotein carries blood cholesterol to the cells in our body where it is going to be used. That's the major function of the LDL. Now, when the LDL gets too much, it begins to coat the walls of our arteries. Like, it begins to form like a blocking on the walls of the arteries. That's why it now becomes hard for blood to flow through the arteries and then leads to heart diseases. That's why cholesterol is very bad for the heart. Now, HDL, which is high density lipoprotein, on the other hand, it's functioning to regulate LDL. It helps to remove excess cholesterol from the blood and then helps to prevent the coating of the walls of the arteries with too much fat, therefore reducing the risk of getting heart disease. So earlier when I introduced cholesterol, I made mention that cholesterol is found naturally in the body because our liver is responsible for producing cholesterol. So it's not necessary that you get dietary cholesterol. Now, cholesterol can only be gotten from animal products. No plants contain cholesterol. That's simply because plants do not have a liver in their body that produces cholesterol, but because other animals also have liver in their body that produces cholesterol, cholesterol is found in animal produce like eggs, the liver itself. Those of you that like liver, it's healthy, but too much of it is not good because it contains cholesterol. In fact, it's the engine of manufacturing cholesterol in animal bodies. And then products that generally come from animals like contain cholesterol. Now, the level of cholesterol contained in different foods have been classified. I don't have this by heart, so I'll just read it accordingly. Okay, so liver has the highest content of cholesterol in the food examples were taught, then beef, then egg yolk, then whole milk, cheddar cheese, bacon, lard, skim milk. These are not the only things, animal products that contain cholesterol, but these were given as examples because they contain a very high level of cholesterol. Now, in order to regulate the content of cholesterol in your body, you should regulate the amount of animal produce you eat. Like, if you're eating animal produce, you should balance it with vegetables because plant produce do not contain cholesterol. If it gets to a level where they are warning you, oh, your cholesterol levels are high, that means you're containing lots of animal produce, whether it is butter is an animal produce, whether it is milk, whether it is cheese. So you should cut down, eat more of fruits, eat more of vegetables, because like I said earlier, remember that your body does not, like, it's not a requirement for your body to ingest cholesterol because the liver produces enough for your cells. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in our next nutrition video.